All right, let's do an application of the area of a triangle. So it says an industrial piece of real estate is priced at $6.45 per square foot. Find the cost of a triangular lot with sides measuring 246, 480, and 492. So what I have, very poorly drawn, is a triangular piece of real estate. Okay, we want to know what's the price going to be. Well, the first thing we need to know is how many square feet that piece of property is. That would be our area. Okay, and then once we know the area, we can multiply it by $6.45 a square foot to find the full price. But our first job is to find the area. Now, with trigonometry, we're able to find the area of a triangle just knowing the three side lengths. I'm going to use, in this example, there are other things you could do, but I'm going to use Heron's formula, which said that the area is equal to S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where A, B, and C are the sides of the triangle, and S is equal to 1/2 of A plus B plus C. Okay, it's the fastest way to do it when you're given three sides. The first thing I would do is calculate my S for the formula. And so I do 1/2 of the three sides added together. So I'm going to add 246, 480, and 492. Okay, that makes my S 1,218. Okay, so I added those numbers together, then divided them by 2. Didn't leave room for my 1/2, I apologize. And I get 609. That's my S. So when I'm finding my area, it's going to be, like the formula says, S, so 609 times S minus A, so 609 minus side A, and it really doesn't matter which order I put them, smallest to larger, but it's going to come out the same way, whichever one you put first, times 609 minus the next side, times 609 minus our last side. Okay, we want to calculate each of those so we can multiply them together. So I have 609 times 363 times 129 times 117. We're going to multiply those values together. Okay, that gives me the square root of 3,336. Oh, not 3, excuse me, 3,336,564,231, which I'm going to leave in my calculator to do the square root. Okay, and so I get an area of 57,763, and it has 0.0054 feet, but I'm just going to round her off. So this is my area right here. It's not my answer because they wanted to know what the cost of this land would be. I now know that its area, the number of square feet it covers, is 57,763. And I know that the price per square foot is $6.45. So to find the price, I'm going to take the area times the price per square foot, and I will have my answer. So 57,763 times $6.45 gives me a price of $372,571.35. I could not afford it, but I'm sure there's someone out there who can. Okay, so that is how we would do this application of finding areas of triangles.